So I've got my spotting scope here. Now when you do receive it, you're going to get a few extra items. One, we do have a cleaning cloth. We also have this little attachment here that you can put your phone in here and it's going to attach to the eyepiece, which I'll demonstrate that here in just a moment. And then we also have a little carrying case here. It's Velcro, got a strap so we can carry it anywhere. And then of course we have our spotting scope here. It's all rubber coated. It is waterproof. We've got two little eyepiece covers here. This one stays attached. This one has a hole that you could put a lanyard on here to attach it anywhere you need to. This is where we would go ahead and zoom in. It's 20 to 60 power. And then this is our focus. The tripod that it does sit on, this is all metal. When you're not using it, it just unscrews from the base of the spotting scope. And of course we can go ahead and adjust it like this, up and down and sideways too. So I've got my phone attached to the eyepiece, and what's great about this is you can take pictures and video through it just like you would everything that you see with your eyes. You can see with this. I'm going to change the focus a little bit, and now we can see a tree, and of course we got our branches too. I really love the way this looks, especially with the rubber coating. It really looks pretty cool. It's really portable, and with the carrying case you can just take it anywhere. Hope you found this review helpful.